Breaking news update coming in. Neha Hiremat murder charge sheet details have been accessed by your channel. Let's quickly put out the details. The charge sheet was submitted before a Hubli court and contains 483 pages. Charge sheet talks of how Fayaz murdered Neha because of her refusal to marry him. Also says first they were friends since 2022. They fell in love. 2024 March they had a few differences that began emerging in their relationship. 99 different forms of evidences have been stitched together to build this case against accused Fayaz. Statements of family members, classmates, lecturers, friends find a mention in the charge sheet. In fact, eyewitness account has also been taken in CCTV footages of the crime, also a part of the document submitted in the court. So those are the several details that we managed to access of the charge sheet filed by the CI. The first charge sheet in the murder case of Neha Hiremat. Let me go across to Ritu, my colleague, joining us with more details. Tell us a little bit about the charge sheet, what it lays out, and what's the way forward really, given the investigations that have taken place so far?
Well, you see now what we are learning is that the CID has filed around 483 pages of charge sheet in the Neha Hiremat murder case. Remember, Neha Hiremat was stabbed to her death on a college campus by her former classmate Fayaz, in fact, in the month of April. And now you have charge sheet that has been filed by the CID and has been submitted before Hubli court as well. So now what we are learning when it comes to the details, then yes, you see all that there was a big allegation coming in from Neha Hiremat's father as well as the BJP as well, which had actually claimed that this is completely a love jihad angle, in fact. But you see that has not found any space in this charge sheet at all. Now, what has been really stated in the charge sheet is also that the both of them had first fell into a relationship 2 years back. So they were in a relationship. Now that Fayaz asked Neha Hiremat for the marriage, but she turned down that proposal, and that led to this sort of an incident is what has been stated as well. Now, when we talk about the technical details, then yes, so far that the CID has been able to collect 99 different forms of evidences and has been stitched together as well. So all that also includes the statements of the family members, classmates as well, the lecturers as well. So, however, you see now needs to be seen that what is exactly going to be taking place post this charge sheet in the court.
Okay, charge sheet details of Fayaz's premeditated actions leading up to the murder. But Ritu, have we also managed to get more details of what the agencies have been able to piece together in terms of CCTV evidence that they've gathered so far?
Yes, you see there are multiple CCTV footages as well that has been secured by the CID as well. So which all that they have stitched it together, including in all that in the 99 different forms of the evidences as well. So we did see how that Fayaz first enters the college campus. He therein waits as well for a long time for Neha to in fact come out of her classroom from the block of the campus, and that's when Fayaz was aware about where she would exactly be going, where would she stand as well. So that's where he was also seen waiting for Neha and where that incident takes place as well. So you see that the knife that was used in the murder, in murdering Neha, was also purchased 3 days before this crime as well. So yes, all this sort of details has been now been stitched together by the CID, and Fayaz, you see, has been charged under the IPC section 302 for the full murder, in fact 341 as well, and 5062. So all that you see needs to be seen how is that the court is going to take this up the charge sheet now.
Okay, the charge sheet rules out the love jihad angle as was being alleged by some political parties, and also speaks of how this was a case of an estranged lover, seeking revenge given that Neha had turned down his marriage proposal. Thank you for that, Ritul. We quickly shift our attention now to the next big political focus of the day from Maharashtra ahead of the assembly election.